Bonjour, je m'appelle Pierre, and as you can see, I am very French because my shirt has stripes and I am wearing the beret. So of course, I am French. And the mustache means that I am a man. La prononciation. Yes, it is very important to make the French noises in the French ways. Otherwise, what are you even speaking? My favorite word in the French language is the word gouvernement. Because it is a wonderful word and it has so many of the French pronunciation rules inside of it. For example, you do not make any of the noises unless there is a vowel afterwards. And it has an N on it. An N in French is very important because if it is an N, then the sound comes out of your nose. For example, if it is an IN, it is eh. And if it is an ON, it is on. And if it is a UN, it is ah. And if it is AN, it is ah.
Nasal tones. Un, train, certain, on, fond, un, lundi, en, devant, quand, en, environnement, ensuite.
I am not kidding. These are the noises. It is very fun if you make it into a joke. Now, as we know, because it is a language that is made by the human, and the human can never agree on anything, there are obviously going to be the exceptions, the problem. The biggest problem in the French language is, of course, the R. The R. Yes, because if it has an R in it, excusez-moi, then you are going to say it, even if it does not have a vowel afterwards. This is true, especially if it is at the end of a word.
Final R. Bonjour, au revoir, peur, livre, fable, grammaire.
So, in that sense, the R is always a problem. Also, sometimes, if it is at the end of a sentence, you will also say an S or a T, but it kind of depends, and it can sometimes be very confusing, so we don't need to worry about that right now. But where you do need to worry about the S and the T is when it is at the end of a word and then the next word starts with a vowel. Then you do this thing called the liaison. The liaison is when you take the sound from one word and then you attach it to the next word. For example, aux États-Unis is a fantastic example of this because you make the sounds from the word before because the next word starts with a vowel, except for at the end when there is no vowel, so you do not say the consonant. It's very clear. Sometimes in French, there will be some words that are all the vowels because the French love the vowels. But it makes it very difficult to say the sounds. That is not a language, that is certainly not French. French is so romantic, it is so beautiful. So the French have a very simple way to deal with this. Are you ready? Are you ready? You put a T in between the words. Ta-da! And then you can make the consonant sound of T. And suddenly, the vowels are not so difficult to say. For example, if I were to ask how old he is, I would ask quel âge a-t-il? Or perhaps if it is a woman, I would ask quel âge a-t-elle? But normally there is not that T in that sentence. It would be quel âge a-il or quel âge a-elle. You see, it is very difficult without the T, so they put the T And there, and suddenly, quel âge a-t-elle? Quel âge a-t-il? Oh, it is so much more pretty. It is so beautiful. It is so French.
Liaison. Quel âge a-t-il? Quel âge a-t-elle? Je suis américaine. Aux États-Unis. Des ordinateurs.
Merci. Au revoir.